When you search for the best diffusers for essential oils, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what truly works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, ASAKUKI Brown Diffuser. Let's kick things off with the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser in a rich dark brown finish. Priced at $22.99, this one caught my attention instantly because of its large 500 ml capacity. If you want a diffuser that can fill your entire room with soothing aromas, this is worth a serious look. It covers a space of about 300 square feet, which is perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. The remote control is a nice touch, allowing you to adjust settings from your bed, and it operates at a whisper-quiet level of less than 23 decibels, ideal for sleep or meditation sessions. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, while it may take up more space than smaller models, the trade-off is that you get long-lasting aroma without the constant hassle of refills. If you're serious about creating a tranquil atmosphere, this isn't a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable diffuser that covers larger spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. For the price, it delivers solid value for your money. Now, if the size of the ASAKUKI Brown Diffuser bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ASAKUKI White Diffuser. Next up is the ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser in white, priced at $21.99. This model is practically identical to the brown one but offers a clean, minimalist look for those who prefer a lighter aesthetic. If you want a diffuser that combines style and functionality, this is worth a serious look. What's great about it? It also features a handy remote and a coverage of 300 square feet. The low noise operation means you can run it during sleep or work without interruption. Here's why this matters for you. If you're in a home office, you can enjoy your favorite essential oils without any distraction. Now, some reviews mention that the remote doesn't always work from far distances. Here's the thing though, most people find that it works perfectly within the recommended 16.5 feet, so as long as you're in range, you're good to go. This is ideal for anyone who values both style and performance in their diffuser. Skip this one if you need something more portable. For the price, it consistently ranks as a bestseller, making it a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces. Product number 3, ASAKUKI Wood Grain Diffuser. Moving on to the ASAKUKI Wood Grain Diffuser, which is a 300 ml version priced at $19.99. This model stands out with its charming wood grain design, making it a stylish addition to any room. If you want an aesthetically pleasing diffuser that doesn't skimp on performance, this is worth a serious look. It also features multiple mist settings and a remote control, allowing you to customize your experience. The built-in waterless auto shut-off function adds another layer of safety, which is essential if you're forgetful. Here's why this matters. You can enjoy aromatherapy without worrying about burning out the device. Now, some users have found the mist output to be weaker than larger models. Here's the thing though, the compact size is perfect for bedrooms and smaller spaces, so if you're after portability, this is a trade-off you can live with. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, compact diffuser for a smaller room. Skip this one if you need something with a larger capacity. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for anyone trying to enhance their space with aromas. Now, if you want something really compact and budget-friendly, the next product is tailored just for that. Product number 4, SALKING Compact Diffuser. Next is the SALKING Essential Oil Diffuser, a tiny powerhouse priced at just $12.15. This little diffuser is perfect for those who want something that doesn't take up much space. If you want an affordable and portable diffuser, this is worth a serious look. The one-button operation simplifies your experience, making it incredibly user-friendly. Plus, the auto shut-off feature ensures safety if it runs out of water. Here's why this matters. You can set it and forget it while you work or sleep, knowing it will turn off when needed. Now some buyers mention that it doesn't produce strong mist output. Here's the thing, this model is intended for personal use rather than filling a large room, so it's perfect for close-up enjoyment of your favorite scents. This is perfect for you if you need an ultra-compact diffuser for small spaces. Skip this one if you want something that fills a larger area. At this price point, it's an excellent value for a personal aromatherapy experience. Alright, that was a great budget option. But if you're looking for a complete package with oils included, the next product is just what you need. Product number 5, In No Gear Diffuser and Essential Oils Set. Finally, we have the In No Gear Aromatherapy Diffuser bundled with a 10 essential oils set, priced at $29.99. This is a fantastic choice if you want to jump right into aromatherapy without the hassle of shopping for oils separately. If you want a comprehensive diffuser experience, this is worth a serious look. With a 400 ml capacity, it's designed to cover larger rooms, and you can choose from different mist modes and timer settings. The included essential oils like lavender and eucalyptus make it easy to find your favorite scents right out of the box. Here's why this matters. You get a fully functional diffuser and a starter kit for your aromatherapy journey, eliminating the guesswork of selecting oils. Now, some users noted that the instructions can be a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it operates smoothly and effortlessly. The value of having 10 different oils makes this a worthwhile investment, especially for newcomers. This is perfect for you if you want to dive into aromatherapy with everything you need in one package. Skip this one if you're confident in your oil selections and prefer a standalone diffuser. For the amount you get, it's an excellent deal. So we've seen a range of diffusers from compact options to larger setups that include essential oils. Each of these products has its unique strengths, but they all share a commitment to enhancing your space with soothing aromas. In summary, we've looked at 5 fantastic essential oil diffusers. From the large ASAKUKI models with impressive capacities to compact options like the SALKING or even the In No Gear package that includes oils, there's something for everyone's needs and budget. So which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments.